Hi, I'm Jenny from Trust Index, and I'm here to guide you through a simple method to seamlessly embed Google reviews into your website. We're going to create this slider widget, which displays your latest Google reviews, boosting your visitors' trust and your sales. The Write a Review button will help you collect more reviews. As a first step, connect your Google business profile to Trust Index so we can download and keep your reviews up to date. Start typing your Google business name until it shows up in the drop-down list. Then select your company. Below the field, you can check if we have found your profile. Then click the Connect button. The Google reviews have been downloaded. Now let's create a widget. Choose from a variety of widget layouts: badge, button, grid, list, sidebar, slider, and more. Just pick the one that best fits your needs. I'm choosing one of the most popular widgets, the slider with a header. In the next step, you can choose from pre-configured widget styles, which you can then customize further in the widget editor. I'm giving the widget a name, and then I'll set it to display only positive reviews. You can set the widget to display reviews only in a specific language, or translate all reviews into one language. In the editor's drop-down menu, you'll find even more extensive customization options. Once you're done, click the Save and Get Code button. Click the Copy button to copy the widget embed code to the clipboard. Now let's go and embed the widget into the website. Find the right place where you want to display the widget. Make sure that the block where you paste it can display HTML elements. Let's save the changes and see the result. The widget will appear on the website. Now you can show your visitors that your business is trustworthy, increasing conversions and sales. This is how easily you can embed your Google reviews. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Create a Trust Index account and build your own widget now. You'll find the link in the description below.